Mr. Houston's reputation is untarnished. He has so many outreach programs at marami siya mga sapatos na pinamimigay. Yakap and Company has an award at marami siya mga online followers.
Actually, marami po akong friends na gustong-gusto yung shoes niya.
Attorney Matias, buong hapon ka na lang ba magsa-cellphone? I wonder if you're serious in taking this case. Nagsisisi ka ba maging PAW lawyer?
May napansin po kasi ako sa product ng Yapak Company.
And what is that?
At tingnan niyo po ito. Last night po nalaman ko na merong sapatos yung pinsan ko galing sa Yapak Company. Pinagmamalaki po nila na Penya fabric yung gamit nila. Pero iba po yung na-discover ko. Ito po yung Penya fabric. Ito naman po yung ornament na gamit sa Yapak Company. Synthetic organza po yung gamit sa mga shoes ng Yapak Company, hindi po pinya. Kaya hindi po nahahalata dahil kinukulayan po nila yung ornament para magmukhang pinya fabric.
What is your point?
Mr. Houston is image conscious. Lahat gagawin niya para protektahan yung image niya. Kahit mameke pa siya.
Thought that may seem strange kasi nung chinek ko yung page ng Yapak Company kagabi, may nabasa akong negative comment. And sabi doon, mabilis daw masira yung shoes nila. Pero after a while, nabura din yung comment.
See? It all adds up. All he cares about is his image, kahit na mameke pa siya.
It's all too trivial. We can send Danny to jail just because of a simple sapatos.